Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
State President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ubaderu hagaju kapor President Jong Pradesh Election Committee habaya keren matkilat pathai khubor ulaong hagabaya day bat ki kerteng jong ki khot ki batrai hapo kaseng unsa penbena badula benrap ru da kabaong bahaswa bakinya shakman hagabaya day bat ki kerteng jong ki kertong kum kaseng dan sabishar benya shwa nadu ki district ki block level badru hadu ke state level. Ulaong ru bakum kaseng kala shnai ki committee bapher ki bala menjur da kaseng Congress na Delhi. Ulaong ru bayamenta kaseng Congress kalalong kabala Khreh ha kabaya day bat ki election bat ka don kam ke jing kershan bat ka jing kerkhu na ki pat ba jong ka jilla. Habakli pat ha kabaya day bat ki kerteng jong ki kertong ki ban Ïakhun ha ki election na kaseng Congress na kaliang jong president ulaong bayakini ansala ban penbena hadin baka election commission kan penbena ya katarik. Hagani kasni na kaliang jong ba pala ulaong baka seng kala perkhat ru banjie di ki kertong da ka bapet ya ki qualification jong uno kertong bat kamut bakan penerking ya kata namar ki don ki bre ki ba syampang kum ki doctor ki engineer ki ba trai ya ka kam bat ki don ru ki bala jutrei bat ki wei pat ki seng san perthai ki balawan ban penyeso pat bat ka seng congress.
Update what are the steps which we are taking for the coming election 2023. So I'll be giving you in soft copy or even in hard copy the list of the office bearers or the list of the members of the different committees. Whenever we go for the election, the first thing is we scrutinize the candidates at the block level and at the district level, and then it will come to the state level. In the state level, the committees normally approved by the AICC. So I'm happy to inform you that the Pradesh Election Committee, which is a very important committee for recommending the names or forwarding the names to Delhi, has been approved, where the president and the chairman of the committee and with other members, 11 members and ex officio. So also the committee, campaign committee also has been formed and approved by AICC, where Dr. Celestine Longlaw is the chairman and the rest of the members also are there. We also have a research and monitoring committee which we do to look into all the issues and problems, where Panchangai is the chairman and Sanjay is the secretary. So we have formed a different committees for the election. So I'll be giving you the names. And also we have formed a roadmap, a manifesto. We have completed the manifesto, but the manifesto normally will be releasing by the ICC. So we have done the draft under the chairmanship of Dr. Celestine Longlaw. We have done the drafting of manifestos. So if you ask anything about manifestos, Dr. Celestine Longlaw will be giving us the roadmap. And anything if you ask about the ongoing issues in the state, I think some issues will be responded by Panchangai and any of us here, and also we'll do that. So I'm giving you the send the group for all those things. So I'm happy to inform you that we are all equipped, ready for the elections, but as usual, I think we need more and more blessings even from our friends like you. And whenever we go for a meeting, whenever we go for a campaign, you'll be happy if you can coordinate with us so that whatever we do and whatever we speak will be highlighted. Qualification this time, but a qualification, it doesn't mean only what you pass. A qualification also means what you experience. Some of them are very experienced who work in the party also, and some of them who already work in different parties and join also. So I think we don't set a minimum qualification or a maximum, but definitely it's the first time if you see that the candidate will have the IITians who have been teaching in IIT. The first time we will have also 4 or 5 of our candidates who have done MBA in finance, MBA in HR and others. The first time you see we have also a doctorate from professor who left the job like a director of a department or a joint director of a department who left the job and joined the party. And even like Soyong, the Superintendent of Customs, who left his job and joined the party. And so many engineers also who were contesting this time, who left the job and joined the party. So a lot of enthusiasm in the party, it seems, wherever you go, be in Garo Hills, be in Khasi and Janja Hills.